you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by one of my most favorite things to do, is clearance shopping. Yes, I am thrilled when I see red lines all over price tags. It thrills me. So currently one of my favorite stores to clearance shop is Fashion Nova. Yeah, I cannot believe that I started shopping at Fashion Nova literally 4 months ago. Like, where have I been? I kept hearing about it and I was like, it's probably China stuff, it doesn't fit, and I just ignored it. Well, now I'm fully embracing it and loving it. So they have literally so much stuff, and all the time that they constantly have clearance. So one thing I absolutely love shopping for is dresses. I can literally be in a dress every single day of my life and be as happy as a clam. So I always check out the clearance dresses first. So let's talk about my clearance dress Fashion Nova haul. So let's start with this really pretty dress. Now this is definitely like a spirit animal dress of mine because it is bright. I love anything with a leaf on it, and it is just gorgeous. It has a mermaid bottom, and I literally got this dress for $17. So I do like it. The only thing I do have an issue with is that these cups are really small and they do not fit my cups. But I do love it. I wore it with that green wig and I really like it, and I'm definitely gonna wear it even though it doesn't quite fit on the top. I did take out the wiring to kind of help with the cups to kind of maybe not lay so awkwardly, but I really love it. I'm definitely gonna wear it, and it is just like garden party ready. Yeah, I love it. Next up is this rhinestone beauty. Oh my gosh, I had to get it. I could not believe that it was on clearance for $13.99. It is so pretty with these rhinestones. I mean, what else could a girl want? And I love that it has long sleeves, and it is just like kind of like a go-go dancer fun, but I really think it's super cute. And there's that. So this next one is this blue and white, kind of like a navy-ish striped dream right here. And it has like this really, it's a kind of difficult in the back right here, all of these cool straps. So I did have a difficult time first putting this on, but I think once you put it on once, it'll be very easy. It does have a high-low, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this in the summertime. This dress was on clearance with my coupon for $10.50. I had to get it. You know, even if it didn't work out, I just had to. Now for the next one, this gorgeous red dream right here, and it has the mermaid bottom. I actually first got this in the yellow because the yellow was actually on clearance for $14, and as soon as it came, I put it on, and literally that morning I'm like, please tell me this dress comes in another color, and it came in red. So I did buy this. This was actually one of my most expensive purchases at $20.99, and I'm not gonna fight that one bit. So this is, I feel, such a classic piece that you can dress up or dress down in any way possible. Like, I could probably live in this dress every single day of my life. I love it. Now for the incredible fun, slightly crazy look. I had to get this money dress. As we know, J-Lo wore this like on the Tonight Show or something, and of course Fashion Nova made one. Thank you, Fashion Nova. And this dress was $10.50 again, and I was like, I just have to have it. You know, I could see myself summertime just like wearing this out and just having fun, because why not have a money dress, right? But this is really cute. I actually bought this in a large. Most everything I buy in a medium, but I figured since this was light, I didn't want it to be like too skin tight, and I feel like the large is perfect. It does have a really nice material that it's made of, and it's not like super like see-through or spandexy, but yeah, I really love it. So happy to have the money dress. And for this next one, this is something that I was eyeballing when it first came out, and I just really wanted it, even though I really do not have a need for it, unless maybe I'll go on vacation or I just want to be crazy fabulous. So it was this two-piece sequin black and white number. So it does have a top, so I figured most definitely I'll wear the top, hands down, no problem, with something underneath, of course, because it's see-through. This also, the set was $20.99, and it does come with the matching set of pants, which does have the interior underwear for you. But this is super cute. I just had to get it, and honestly, when I put it on, I was like, it feels pretty luxe. I'm like really excited to wear it and maybe go on vacation with it. So there's my super clearance Fashion Nova fashion haul. So one thing I absolutely love about Fashion Nova is clearly the prices, because if I want to buy a crazy dress for $10, it's clearly not going to break the bank, nor will I feel bad if I only wear it once or maybe not ever. So I really love it, and it's definitely a chance for me and for you to experiment with fashion and just like try something out. Because the one thing that I love about Fashion Nova and things like that is that it's fun. Like, it's full of texture and ruffles and sequins and everything, which fuels my soul. When I am dressed fabulously, which I do take time out of my day every day to dress really fun or wear things that I really enjoy, because it only amplifies my day. And wouldn't you want to just be amplified from the beginning? I want to thank you all for reaching out, leaving me a great comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I absolutely appreciate each and every single one of you, I really do. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.